What's up, YouTube? Welcome to More Trade. Okay, this is a quick update I want to give on Quant, but before I get into it, be kind and smash the like buttons, click your notification and subscribe to the channel and share the videos so we can spread this trade setups and build our community and help other traders alike. Now, if you look at Quant, what we've done the past few days, I gave you this trade setup. We came up to the value area high, rejection at the point of control and the value area high slightly, and we came down, and that was our 200 EMA on the hourly. And if you look at what we did, we came all the way down to around 112. That was a beautiful trade, got stopped out in profit. However, today we're doing the same thing. Quant spiked up. This is a big volume spike, so be aware this trade setup may fail. That's why I have a stop loss in place. I entered the first time, got stopped out, and I entered a second time. By the time I post this video, might be already moved, but just let's go into smaller time frames. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see clearly the wick to the upside, the stopping volume candle that follows it over here, that tells you things are slowing down and maybe direction may shift. And at the same time, if you take another fib retracement from this swing high, not the higher one, this swing high, to the low, you'll see that we hit the 0.618 again, right around this area. So 0.618 again, which was a good one. And we're getting a slight reaction, so it could be a scalp short. I'm not saying to hold on to this trade. Through trading, I've learned that not to hold on to altcoin trades for a long time unless they're reliable altcoins. You may sleep on it and then you get stopped out or something. Looking at it, it may be a double bottom. Some may call it a bull flag breaking out to the upside. The target for this bull flag is very bullish. I mean, if you take the low at 94 to the high at around 130 or 125 over here, from 94 to 125, that is about 30 points. So if we break out here, we may go to 148. That's the bullish target of this bull flag. On the 5-minute, we're still above the 50 EMA. On the 3-minute, same thing, we might get stopped out. And on the 1-minute, we're slightly below the 50 EMA, and we had sort of a stopping volume candle to the downside. We had a vector candle that did not follow through, and we have a stopping volume candle. So we might get a rotation to the upside. Usually in a Wyckoff range, we have, say this was our buying climax, then automatic reaction to the downside. Then we might have an upthrust or a secondary test. This may be our upthrust, or we may have one to liquidate the early shorts that got in over here. There's a lot of liquidity over here. You can see by the volume traded. So yeah, just wanted to share that there are a lot of vector candles in this zone on the 1-minute. It's market makers building positions. However, I wanted to share this with you, and don't just trade blindly. Use stop loss, not financial advice. And don't use larger positions than you can that are bigger than what you can handle. And yeah, always risk management. Always use risk management. And yeah, trade the reactions. And if we go to the downside, if we say we're gonna tank now, what are the points? When do you decide that you may exit this trade? What I like to do is use fib retracement sometimes and eyeball my trade. Either I get out at the fib retracement. If the fib level is lost, I look at the next one, and so on. So I'll be looking at the 0.5 for starters at around 116. That will come close to 116. That comes close to the 50 EMA over here. The 50 EMA over here, as you can see, is at 116, and below it the golden pocket at 115. So around the 116, 115 for a reaction. As you can see now, the candle is pulling up. We may be heading up to the upside. Just thought I should update you and share this with you. Thanks for watching. More trade.